bringing people together, all the organisations and support groups, to give people living with dementia, their carers and professionals a chance to see what's out there, what's available to support them to live well, for professionals to know where to go to offer the right support for people. And we also have a series of talks throughout the day on sort of key areas of interest for people living with dementia and their carers and professionals too. Really just to embrace sort of what's out there and give people the chance to see what they can do and how to help each other. It's a really, lovely collaborative day. It's full of warmth and fun and some happy times too.
For this year's third annual Dementia Fair, we wanted to come up with a project that could involve as many different members of our community as possible, and we know Norfolk knitters and stitchers always support us, so we came up with the idea of having an individual knitted forget-me-not flower to represent perhaps one person living with dementia out there in our community, and then to have all the flowers grouped together as a visual representation of the thousands, if not tens of thousands of people living with dementia in Norfolk. And we're so overwhelmed and pleased with the response, we think it's worked out fantastically.
We're here to meet professionals and members of the public and raise awareness that we're out there offering support, information, advice to people with dementia, whether they're caring for somebody or living with a diagnosis themselves. It's a great opportunity to come and meet professionals and people with dementia and network with other organisations that are also here and just widen the scope of what we do and get the message out there that there is help and support for people with dementia.
It's an annual awareness raising event. It started several years ago. We ran it just for in-hospital staff, and then we got so much enthusiasm and participation from community sector colleagues. We thought it would be great to open it up just to the general public, to all the different support groups and third sector agencies that work with dementia, and to have a focal centre to our never-ending campaign to raise standards of care for people with dementia. And it's just worked out to be a really fantastic event.
People are actually getting support that they didn't know existed. So we know from previous years that a lot of people have maybe gone to a dementia cafe or a support group that they didn't know about, and those people would have been quite isolated otherwise. It's really sort of broadening networks, enabling for people to know what's going on and what can help.